Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you about what is in Wondershare Filmora 11. First, I will show you how to get Wondershare Filmora 11. Previously, I used Wondershare Filmora 9, which was much different from the latest version. Therefore, I was really excited to try the new version. First, you visit filmora.wondershare.com. For the Filmora 11 beta, you can click the button to download. As you can see, here you can go back to version 10.7 anytime. To download, you can agree to join the beta version. You can also download according to your device. I am using Windows, so I download the Windows version. After the download is complete, you can directly install it by clicking on the file and wait for the installation process to complete. After the installation process is complete, here I open Filmora 11, and how surprised I was because it looks so much different from the old version and it is very interesting. As you can see, in the left corner there is a logo from Filmora. On the shortcut function entry, you can find feedback. Maybe there will be some problems with the beta version. Welcome to feedback. And there is a cloud storage, login, upgrade, support center, and online help. And as usual, here there must be a choice of aspect ratio. And here you can choose more aspect ratio. In the right corner, there is an open project menu. And in create project, there are new projects to create new projects. There is auto reframe, auto montage maker, PC, screen, and AI portrait. And below, there are files for the project you are working on. And here there is an instant modem menu to create your own videos for template. Here are a lot of templates with the theme provided. I'm very interested in trying all these new features. And the last one, here is the Creator Academy. Next, we will try auto reframe. It looks like this. If you want to import, you can click this button. Here, you can choose the same ratio as your video ratio, because here the goal is to change the frame or aspect ratio of your video. Here I choose the ratio of Instagram. You can choose the motion speed, then you can immediately analyze. You can also adjust the frame to see the result. If you have done, just export and the result is like this.
Rolling, action. Bareng aku yuk.
The next feature is auto montage. You can create a clip that is in line with your music selection. Add recommended special effect, automatically generate clips. Here you can set the video time you want. Also set which part of the video you will use. Choose bit cut and choose video effect. And this is the result. not disturb the music sound from the preset. Next, we try instant mode. As I was said earlier, there are a lot of templates that have been provided. Here I will choose one of them. You can directly import some of your video, and here later there will be suggestions such as add more media to get a better result. You can customize text and effect in the scene. You can customize your highlight and change the template, music, and text. And the result is like this. And the last feature is I tried was masking line. Here I use masking line video. Here I use simple video. Here I add text. And put it in the right position. After that, you can copy your video and place it above the text like this. Double tap on the top video, click Max, choose single line. Here you can close the text first, then click Add. Advance the line again. You can also adjust the rotation according to your video. And the result is like this. Wow, this is really amazing about Filmora 11. Thank you for watching my video. Hopefully it's useful for you. Don't forget to download Filmora. The link is in my video description. Thank you and see you soon.